Hey YouTube family and friends, this is Antoinette and I wanted to come and show you this plant here. Um, this is, it looks like one of my grandmother's plants from back in the day. And it's a corn plant to me. It's a corn plant and it's nice and tall, and this one is, ow, tall from the ground. Man, these things right here are treacherous. But it's tall from the ground. See, and it's pretty. It's nice. It's taller than me. And it's nice. I like the variegations in the leaves. I like that. That's beautiful. I like that. I like the yellow and because you know sometimes you just don't want the green, the solid green. You want some variety. So isn't that nice? That's nice. All right, guys, take care. Remember to love someone, give them a kiss, and appreciate the small things. Bye-bye.